Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for September 2023. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mr. Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Napakabilis ng panahon. September na ulit. And ngayong September, marami tayong planets astrologically na at some point in time ay magsasabay-sabay na naka-retrograde. So that's Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, at ang asteroid na Chiron. So I can't imagine the energies around those times. So be careful lang in making decisions, taking actions, no? Make sure you know the consequences and take responsibility for the consequences. Okay? So this is a general reading. Maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa ibang messages. And just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. Gamitin lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. So let's see, Virgo. What's up? What's coming to you ngayong September 2023? Heal, Chiron. Healing from the past, maaring relationship, or anything na kind of painful na experience ninyo in the past. You're going to heal from that ngayong September. And there's also introspection, 12th house. 12th house is medyo spiritual, no, for you. I think you are going to align your energies related to spirituality. So, kasama dyan yung healing. Okay? Some of you, maaring you're going to dive deeply into your emotions, into your energies. You will realize yung mga experiences nyo in the past, kung paano kayo naapektuhan nun, and kung paano ito it's either nakasira or nakabuti sa inyo. And kung ano man yung mga nakasira sa inyo, ile-let go nyo na yon. At magpo-focus kayo dun sa kung ano yung makakabuti sa inyo, makakapag-align ng energies ninyo. So, you also have best possible decision. Ngayong September, meron kayong decision making na gagawin. And as long as you are connecting to your intuition, your instincts, you will be able to choose the best possible decision for that. Okay? Safe travel. So, yung iba sa inyo, may travel opportunities ngayong September. Pwedeng, medyo malayo, no? Malayo-layong travel to. Yung iba naman sa inyo, pwede tong metaphorical travel. Kasi there's water here, and water is about emotions, your instinct, your sensitivity. So I think you're going to explore more about yourself, about your spirituality. Let's see your overall energy. Ano yung overall energy ng mga Virgo for September? 10 of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo pagod na. Carrying heavy loads. But you know what? Number 10 is you're starting something new. Ito yung transition period na maaring meron ka ng mga ile-let go na mga obligasyon na natapos na, or pwedeng ile-let go mo because you feel like hindi mo na kailangang dalhin yun. This can be yung mga painful experiences mo from your past. That's why you're healing from that. And then your challenge is the Two of Wands, which is a decision. So itong challenge mo may kinalaman sa mga pagdedesisyonan mo, nagagawin mo sa buhay mo, especially if this is going abroad, traveling to a new place, paglipat ng bahay, trabaho, career. Okay? And your opportunity is the Chariot. Wow. So the opportunity is you're going to move forward. No? This is going to be a fast track action. No? Parang mabilis na pag-usad. If you are feeling stuck, you're going to move forward ngayong September. Especially if you are letting go of the things na alam mong pabigat lang sa'yo. 'Di ba? Pag marami tayong dinadala, mas mabigat kumilos. Pero if you remove those burdens, mas mabilis, makakatakbo ka. Okay. So, let's see your blessing. The Page of Swords. As a blessing, there's a lot to learn. Marami ka pang pwedeng matutunan, matuklasan, na magbibigay sa'yo ng success moving forward. So, always take the opportunity to learn something new. Kasi tutulong yan sa inyo sa pagpapaunlad ng inyong sarili. And as a blessing as well, I feel like there's going to be truth, no? May katotohanan kang matutuklasan about you, about yourself, about other people. And from there, dun ka na makakapag-decide whether these people ay hayaan mong magstay sa'yo or meron kang ila-let go. Yes, see, you are going within. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring yung tipong iiwas kayo sa gulo, iiwas kayo sa stress, iiwas kayo sa drama ng buhay. See, may coin toss, may choices. Meron ka talagang decision na kailangang gawin. Yung iba, nahihirapan magdesisyon. But you need to take a chance. Or else, matatrap ka sa sitwasyon na yan or masastuck ka dyan. So, if you want to move forward, since you have the opportunity to move forward, and, to go to a certain place na you've never been to, then, you have to decide whether you want to stay in your current situation or try something new. So, sa career, magical. Your dream life is manifesting. You have enough resources to bring your desires into reality. Your income is increasing rapidly. So, maaring you are manifesting something sa finances mo. You're manifesting your dream life, your dream job, your dream career. So, syempre, manifestation requires action. You have the Hanged Man, Page of Pentacles, and the King of Cups. So, itong the Hanged Man energy, ito yung minsan you try to procrastinate na pag-iisipan ko muna, pero you're not really that serious about the change that you want. So, it's time for you to take action. Learn from it, no? Kaya meron ka talagang kailangang pag-aralan. I-research, i-analyze, para you would come up to something na magbibigay sa'yo ng fulfillment, no? Pagdating sa career mo, sa finances mo. So, when it comes to your relationship, love life, for Virgo, flirting, okay. You're going to enjoy moment with someone na pwedeng mauwi sa romantic connection. Maaring merong kang makakausap or may kausap ka na ngayon na, this person is maaring your desire. Oh no. No. Virgo. Okay. Meron akong nakikita rito na parang caution, no? Maging maingat sa mga engagements mo sa relationships, connections ngayong September. Kasi pwedeng ma-fall ka sa isang tao na baka masaktan ka lang. Lalo na kung mabilis yung takbo ng sitwasyon ninyo na, unexpected. But maaring may heartbreak dito. Or akala mo siya na yung pangarap mo. And then eventually, you realize na hindi pala. But, hindi naman sa lahat, no? I'm seeing here na may disappointment. But, pwede rin naman tong maging magandang ending. Meron lang masasaktan. The possibility. Focus your attention on what could go right. When you learn to imagine the best case scenario, you get to enjoy an experience twice. Yes. So, yung possibility, sabi nga nila yung pagiging positibo raw sa buhay, sometimes it becomes toxic. Yung tinatawag na toxic positivity. Mas maganda yung thinking things na yung possibility kesa sa positivity. So, isipin mo, ano yung possibility? Ano yung pwedeng mangyari na positibo para sa'yo? Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.